Let's talk about closing costs. Let's talk about closing costs. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about it. Okay. No, closing costs. A lot of people don't realize that there is a thing called closing costs. They think of down payment. So they're like, okay, I got down payment assistance. So I have no down payment. So I shouldn't have to pay for anything else. And it's like, no. There are some things that you're going to have to potentially pay for. And I say potentially because it just depends on the house. It depends on if you get seller credit or how much down payment assistance you get. But standard closing costs include you have your appraisal. We talked about that before. The appraisal is going to determine the value of the home. You have your lender fees. Depending on the lender, you have lender fees. Like if it's down payment assistance, there may be a fee there. If it's just a standard program, there's going to be no fee there for my company. If you have origination points, that means if you're going to pay money to buy down the rate, that will be on there. You have your survey, which sometimes the survey will be covered by the seller. We just don't know, right? You'll have your credit report fees. You'll have your title fees. That's a big portion of your closing costs. So those are going to be determined by the title company. And then you will have your homeowner's insurance, so your escrow account, your homeowner's insurance. You're going to have your property taxes and your prepaid interest. Prepaid interest is going to be based off of the day that you close through the end of the month, okay? Then you have attorney fees, recording fees, and these all add up to what we call our closing costs. Most times closing costs, people will estimate can be about 4%, depending on where you're buying, what you're buying. If it's new construction home, usually it's a little bit higher. If it's pre-existing or if it's in an HOA, if it's an HOA, it can be a little bit higher. If it's pre-existing, it may be lower because now you have property taxes that can be offset. There's a lot of factors that go into it, but those are the standard things that are in your closing costs. And it's a thing that a lot of people don't realize are there because you got a lot of different parties that are helping you close that loan. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to help. My name is Angie with Angie.Knows.Loans. Talk to you soon. Bye.